just to say about one lesson learned, in particular in this moment in which we are overwhelmed with many applications, also commercial interesting application of big data and data analytics. The message is to be cautious with respect to many biases, and perhaps it is important to know the importance of the error in generalization. Perhaps in many applications not so important, in other one it's very important. So, are there any questions? We have Professor Bill Howell.
Is there a problem with the use of the word or phrasing around science, in the sense that from the classical science area, there were such tremendous successes in the past, and a lot of the newer stuff doesn't have the same properties, and may not be as absolutely true as what we like to believe some of the classical science was. So the word science, I mean, people pull the cloak of credibility and authority of this image of science over top of some of the newer methods, and the claim of certainty and having the truth is vastly exaggerated. So maybe there's a need for newer terminology, or you're using predictive learning.
Well, that's what I stated in this talk. I differentiate between three different types of knowledge. It's classical first principle knowledge that was developed also Newton's laws, Kepler's laws, chemistry laws, and empirical knowledge, that is data analytic dependencies that have predictive value. But this does not imply necessarily that we know first principle, and beliefs that simply psychological induction.
But it's in there, but it probably
yes,
needs to be awareness of that by the general public.
The problem is that demarcation between those, because people usually mix it up together. That's what I tried to emphasize.